Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9 and in this video I am going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. Alright, so to do this first you have to open our Google Photos app, and now we have to hold on the photo that you want to hide, for example this one. Right here, I have to swipe to the right where we have this move to locked folder option that we have to click on. Now we have to click continue, move, and now as you can see, it's hidden in this locked folder. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.